And when's this going to be? Like on Sunday. So I hope you're all having a lovely weekend. I hope you've got your favourite drinks, your favourite snacks, because I am going to dive straight into this in a second, because it's well, for one thing, this Homesense bag is so heavy. God knows what we've bought that is that heavy in there, but it's a heavy old bag. I don't think there's actually tons and tons of stuff, but I haven't been to Homesense in the longest time ever. Like, must be since like autumn, Christmas time last year, obviously, because we've been moving. In fact, it might have been even like September time. I don't remember seeing Christmas stuff last year, because obviously we was away getting married. So anyway, it's been a really long time. We went with the intent of getting obviously a load of new homey bits, mainly kitchen bits, because our kitchen is so close to being like where the worktop's going to be fitted, hopefully by the end of June. So we'll be able to like have a hob, have our tap, have our sink, be able to use the kitchen as you would normally use a kitchen, whereas at the minute, because we've got like temporary worktops which are just basically sheets of wood, you can't, they're just not as practical as a proper worktop. We still can't have a sink, can't have a hob. So yeah, we needed like oven gloves, tea towels, new utensils, etc. We didn't manage to get everything that we wanted, and I have seen a few really nice bits on Amazon, and a lot of stuff to like organise our fridge, organise our cupboards, our cutlery drawer and stuff like that. So I'm probably going to be placing an order this weekend, and we'll do another haul but from Amazon next week for you all. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this mammoth. I'm pretty sure it's Homesense and Home Bargains. I'm sure it'll tell you by the title of this video. Okay, right, I've just laid it out. So we've got a Homesense, B&M and Home Bargains. I forgot I went to both of them. Like, when do you ever go to both of them at the same time? I think it was just in like a retail park where there was like another retail park across the road, and we basically just went to both. Anyway, I'm rambling. So let's start with Homesense. So first thing up is, because we're going to be able to get our coffee machine back out of the cupboard and actually be able to use it, like, can't tell you how excited I am. We picked up some coffee, because Homesense has some really nice like different kind of coffee, stuff that you can't really get in like supermarkets and things like that. So this is a farm fresh ground coffee in hazelnut, and it says it's got crisp crunchy hazelnuts. This was $3.99. They did so many different like flavors, different brands. So if you're a coffee lover and you just wanted to try maybe something a little bit different, I definitely recommend going to Homesense, because they have so many. Next up, a bit of a boring purchase to be honest, but I needed a new ironing board cover, because our ironing board, obviously it's not something that you can like wrap up, and I just forgot to take the cover off of it so that didn't get dirty. But within the moving and like storing of the ironing board, it's disgusting, like generally disgusting. I've had to iron with towels over the top of it. Anyway, I thought once we was in Homesense, we'd actually just measured like the width. Is it the width of it? I can't remember. Yeah, the width of it being 38 centimeters, because that's not something that I just know. So I thought I'd pick one up. It's just in this grey like chevron-y type pattern, and it was $4.99. So I thought that was actually quite cheap for an ironing board cover. Then another really random purchase is this drain hair unblocker thing, and I really like it because it has like pictures of scissors going down the drain. Brad actually ordered this from Amazon a couple of weeks ago, just because my hair literally blocks every drain in every house I ever enter or go to. So we have to make sure we've got plenty of hair drain unblocker, otherwise we'll have a flood on his hands. And it was only $4.99 there. I'm pretty sure it was the same price that Brad paid on Amazon, but I'll have to ask him. But this was really good. We used it in our shower a couple of weeks ago, and it's been like an absolute dream ever since. I do use them hair catcher things on the drains as well, but obviously not every hair strand will like get caught by it, and my hair just, like I say, it just blocks the drains. Okay, now the next purchase is some tea towels. I'm really excited about this. By the way, sorry if the lighting keeps changing. The sun has just decided to come out behind me, as you can see, so our whole room is now all glistening with the blinds, so I hope you can still see me. We picked up some tea towels, so they came in a set of 3, and now I'm not going to be probably using like the green one. And I got 2 packs of them, but this one came with a pink. But I'm going to use the other side of both of these. So let me come and show you. So this one is like a brownie, sort of like khaki colour, but very like brownie beigey colour. And they've got like just little pom-pommy bits all over, and then there's also a white one as well. So I thought if I got 2 sets, I'd be able to use the khaki brown colour and also the white colour in both sets, and then I will have a pink and a green one, which are very lovely, very lovely colours. But obviously I can just keep them as like emergency backup spares, but just not have them out on the sides if needs be. And they were only $7.99 each, but they're really good quality. They've got a really nice like tassely bottom on them all as well. I really love this colour especially, if you haven't guessed. Another kitchen purchase, which we have already used, but I kept the tag so I could show you and like tell you the price, were these oven gloves, oven mitts, whatever they're called. They've got this like heat resistant like pad on this side, and then it's just like a grey marl effect on this side. The only thing I would say is that when you're trying to maneuver and grab like a baking tray from the oven, the thumb bit is really big, so it's hard to kind of like control. So we are probably going to get some of those, you know, where they're like you put both hands in and it's all just one, because that's what we both get on with a lot better. But I just couldn't find any that were in like a really nice colour that I'd actually want in the kitchen. So we just went for these just for now, because obviously we've now got our oven that we can actually use, so I didn't want us to be burning our hands. So we picked these up, and these were $6.99, and that is the label in case you're interested. Obviously you might be able to find some of these on the TK Maxx website, so obviously if anything that I mentioned that you want to look at, then go to TK Maxx website first before travelling anywhere. Then the last item that I got from Homesense, that is obviously the reason why the bag was so heavy, is this, what are they called? Marble, porter and pestle. I think they're supposed to be called like pestle and mortar, but either way, that was $12.99. I'm going to stand up again so I can show you properly, for this gorgeous marble. And obviously, oh, it's just beautiful, isn't it? You can see like the proper like glistening in the sunshine. It's so heavy. The one that we've got at the minute was a grey one, and it does need replacing because we've used it God knows how many years now. So we was looking for a new one, and then obviously this one will go nicer in our new kitchen. So yes, I'm really pleased that we picked this up. It's got like quite a few browny grey sort of marble in it as well, so yes. Another shop we went to was Card Factory. So, oh, this is your reminder, if you've got birthdays coming up, to make sure you get yourself to Card Factory, because they're an absolute bargain. There's also Father's Day coming up as well, so make sure you get your Father's Day cards. I really love this one. So Dad, if you're watching, turn away now, because you won't have seen your Father's Day card yet. Because I can now get ones that say Dad, from your daughter and son-in-law, because it's the first Father's Day after we got married, so that's exciting. Whew. The sun coming in now is actually making this bedroom rather hot. Let me get a sip of my Diet Coke. That wasn't the last thing that we got from Homesense. Brad also picked up this candle, which is a small Yankee candle in the scent Simply Sweet Pea, and it's in this like little pink colour. Honestly, it smells really good. It's very summery scented, like sweet summery. It's kind of like a pick and mixy sort of smell as well. It's really, really nice. I highly recommend that one. You can probably get it on Amazon as well, but it was delicious, and it was only £3.99 in Homesense. Okay, moving over to Home Bargains now, and I didn't keep the receipt, so I do apologise. I can't say how much everything was, and they don't have stickers on anything that you get from there, but just a few things anyway. So I got some Mr. Sheen polish, because this is my favourite, but I haven't actually tried the Magnolia and Cherry Blossom scent, so I thought, because this was literally the only one they had, I usually really like the original, or I think it's the spring one, it's the one that has like the green label on it. I love those two, so I thought I'd give this a go. You can use it on wood, glass, metal and plastic, if you haven't used that before. And I also picked up some polish cloths, but I got them from B&M, so I'll show you them in a second. I got some Harpic White and Shine bleach. I do really much prefer the Domestos version of this, but they didn't have any. So we're going to give this a try. I haven't used the bleach version of Harpic yet. The only Harpic that I've usually used is the Harpic Pine, which I love, but it just leaves like a greeny yellowy tinge to your toilet, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm hoping I'll fall in love with this one, because I really like the smell of bleach, and like the toilet's looking really sparkly white. So yeah, thought I'd give this a go. It was probably about £1. Picked up some Monster energy drinks, and these are the Ultra Gold ones, 0 sugar, if you're a Monster lover. I much prefer the white ones. I can't remember what they're called, probably just Ultra. They're the best in my opinion, but those ones are for Brad. Then I also got an Oven Pride. These are the best cleaners for an oven. Our oven is a Zanussi one, and it has like a self-clean function on it, which is amazing. But for all of the like trays and then the racks inside the oven, this is a dream, an absolute dream. And what me and Brad noticed the other day is that the actual oven shelves, the size of them usually never fit in our kitchen sink at our old house, but best believe they actually fit fully flat down in our new sink. So I can't wait to be able to like get the oven dirty so I can wash it and clean it, and then after it's been oven pried, rinse it all off in the sink that it actually fits in. It's the little things in life that excite me nowadays, if you ever noticed. Then I also got some Flash Magic erasers. These are amazing on your walls, skirting, anywhere basically. It shows you like on the back what you can like do with it. I've even used the elbow grease version of them, and they're amazing as well. But basically what you do is you wet it, and then any marks on your walls, skirtings, anywhere, you can just go along and like literally buff it off, and it's as if it was never there. Like, it's a dream. If you're newly renovated like us, and then all of a sudden you have someone come around to like fit the carpets, for example, and then they've put handprints all over the wall, these will be your best friend. But yeah, obviously you can use them in all different areas of the house. It even shows you how to remove stains and scuffs on like hobs, if your children have drawn on walls, etc, etc. So you can't beat these. These are so good and so handy. So anytime I'm in like Home Bargains or B&M, best believe I'm picking some of these up, and I will have a permanent stash of them. Okay, on to B&M now. So I mentioned these a minute ago, so I thought I'd just show you them now. These are 4 large luxury yellow dusters. They're just £1 from B&M, and they work really well with the Mr. Sheen polish that I got from Home Bargains. So I thought I'd pick some new fresh ones up, because you can wash them, but after so long, like, you just need a new one. So yeah, bought a new pack. Then the next thing we got from B&M is another one of these marble chopping boards. I forgot what they were even called then. I have one of these already, and I really love it. So it's really basic, guys. It's just a chopping board with a handle, but it's just got a really nice print on it. I really like it. It's nice to have as like a serving board as well. But yeah, I really like it, so I thought I'd pick up another one because it was only £3, and it looks nice in our new kitchen, you know. Okay, then the final bits from B&M. These are my favourite things ever, and because I'm obsessed with just like, now rooms are starting to get finished in our house, making sure they constantly smell so nice, I don't know if you've seen it on my Instagram stories, but I absolutely rave about this scent, and it is so good. It's not one of those like cheap ranges where it smells from, you know, smells like the minute you light it sort of thing to then not smelling when you relight it. Not with these smell incredible. So I got a restock of the wax melts. So this is in the scent Sweet Almond and Macaroon. Best believe they're amazing. It's only £1.50 and you get 369 in the wax melts. Like you can see there, you can just break them up. The scent is incredible. Like, it is so nice. I have wax melts in the living room and the kitchen. It's so good. And then I got some of the matching tea lights. Now this little labels come off, so I'll show you these ones. These are very white company, like even these, like in the branding, very white company, but these, I'm gonna stand up so I can properly show you. The casing of each tea light is see-through. Now that's the kind of vibe you get with a white company tea light, and these are only £2 for 12 and they smell amazing. So if you've got a wax melt burner, I would recommend, I mean, just having the wax melt on its own is good enough, but if you actually light a tea light underneath in the same scent of it, the scent explodes in your house. It smells amazing. So I am dying to go take these downstairs and light them because I've just run out of the tea lights. I'm pretty sure I've still got a few more of the wax melts left, but I thought that's why I picked up double the amount of tea lights to wax melts. But for £1.50 and £2, so like for £3.50, if you just went and bought some wax melts and some tea lights, girl, your house is just gonna smell amazing, because I can smell it right now. It's coming through the packaging. It's so good. So yeah, there we go, my loves. That is our Homesense, Home Bargains and B&M haul. I haven't sat down and done one of these for a really long time, and this is obviously going to be the first one in our new house, in our new bedroom, and the sun is shining and making me extremely hot because I'm wearing all black. But it's okay because I've enjoyed filming. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and if there's anything that you go out and pick up, please let me know, because I'd love to get your feedback on something that I've shared with you all as well. Anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you hopefully on Wednesday, but I don't actually have a video planned for Wednesday, so if there's nothing up on Wednesday, it'll definitely be next Sunday, but I'll keep you updated over on my Instagram stories. So thank you for watching, my loves, and I'll see you later. Bye.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone.